So, so now let us start with our session. A very warm welcome to all the kids and the parents in this demo and interaction program. So kids, as you all know, today we have gathered here for Mathematics Olympiad, which is for grade 6 mathematics. All right. So I'm sure you all would be, knowing the importance of Olympiad examinations, correct? And we at Olympiad Success, try to like we focus on conceptual clarity, and we try to make the concepts of all the students really clear, because we have a wonderful set of mentors who take a lot of pains and efforts, so that like all the queries, all the doubts of all the students are resolved. Okay, so kids, like Rajan soon in his presentation would be mentioning about the international rank holders also. So I would like to mention a few points over here, like the international rank holders which are there in the presentation. So these are for the academic year 2021. For 2022, 21-22, we would be updating the list soon. But then, like kids, these international rank holders, and I'm sure there would be few international rank holders sitting here as well. So we understand that you all put in a lot of effort. Okay, so it's the students' effort, it's the parents' effort, and it's the mentors' effort, which all together bring in the success of the student. So kids, like today, what we'll be doing is we would be, as you all know, we would be giving a demo on Mathematics Olympiad. So the flow of this session would be like, first of all, an present like introduction by Priyasha ma'am. So she has a huge fan following, trust me, kids and parents. So it has been almost 3 years, I believe, Priyasha ma'am. Like since our beginning, she has been associated with us, and she is one of our star tutors. So the thing is, like, parents, they just see, okay, Priyasha ma'am is taking the batch, we'll enroll the kids. They don't wait for the demo program. They just keep on asking, like, when is Priyasha ma'am's batch starting? So that's all. And like you should attend her demo to understand what I mean, because words would not be sufficient to praise her. So Priyasha ma'am, after your introduction, Rajan sir would be giving you in like a, a presentation on the course details, okay, wherein everything related to the course will be shown by him. So the course details include like what the syllabus is, and like batch strength, and etc etc. There would be many things in that. Okay. Also, like after that, we will be having a short question and answer round. So kids, if you have any doubts, and parents as well, so if you have any doubts, please do write it down in the chat section, and we will be answering all your queries one by one. Post the question and answer round, we will be starting with our demo session, for which you all are here. Got it? Everyone clear? Okay, so over to you, Priyasha ma'am. And thank you so much for being with us. So over to you for a brief introduction.
Thank you so much. Good evening, all of you. So, Aarti ma'am has already mentioned a lot about mathematics and its importance, right? And about me as well. So, I'll not introduce myself again. You know that I'll be taking up your maths Olympiad, and I'll be, training you for that basically. And when it comes to mathematics, guys, we all are like, we know this thing that it will stay with us for a long time, no matter whatever domain we pick for our future, right? Like it's general commercial mathematics which you will have to know to be good in your particular, like whatever areas, okay, you are working in or you are studying in. So yes, maths is really important. And when it comes to studying mathematics, guys, can you tell me something? There's a very famous quote. All right, I'll tell you the quote and I'll tell you a blank. Okay, I'll play fill in the blanks with you now. And that blank will be filled with a 2-letter word. One letter, the first letter will be a consonant, the second letter will be a what? It will be a vowel. All right. So the thing is, the best way to learn mathematics is to dash mathematics. The best way. Oh, wow. We see answers popping up. Very good. Smart kids. Very nice. That's right. The best way to learn mathematics is to do mathematics. So doing mathematics also needs a streamline, guys. Okay, what is streamline? See, when it comes to studying, Right now it's so competitive out there that if we go on doing things from the beginning, it might take a lot of time to compete with the class exams or the Olympiads, anything like that, correct? But when it comes to streamline education, we focus on what is important and what is necessary for building the foundation for you. You guys are much aware that standard 6 is the foundation year from which you get started for your preparation for any college in future or your domain in which you want to go and study. So that's why standard 6 is, at least, like I should say, the most essential part of your schooling. Okay, so yes, in standard 6, what we do at Olympiad Success is we try to build your foundation and we make it much clear. It's not that just because we are planning to study for Olympiads, will that mean that we will not start from the scratch? No, we will start from the scratch, taking every kid together. And for my classes, the kids who have already attended know. And for the new ones, let me tell you that I conduct the doubt discussion every session before 10 minutes. Okay, 10 minutes is the first 10 minutes in which we discuss the things, and then we carry forward with the new chapter. Why do we do that? Because everyone in the group should be able to catch up and be on the same page. Okay, and the best part about the group classes over here is that, see, we all know that mathematics questions can be done in more than one way. True? So learning together will help us come across the different ways of doing a question, method number 1, method number 2, and then the student will have the full opportunity to explore all the methods. You did a question in method number 1, you did it in 25 seconds. You did the method number 2 to solve the question and you took 45 seconds. So you will make a comparison. Okay, ma'am, we find option A to be better. So in this circumstances, what we will do, we will, like this only, we will make the group sessions interactive also, and at the same time we will be making sure that everyone is learning not only from the tutor but also from everyone in the session. All right, so like this only we'll work together, we'll have fun together, and we'll make sure that by the end of the session we'll not only just finish our syllabus, but we will also fall in love with mathematics. And this is the major aim with which I conduct my classes. So we'll have a flavor of it very soon in the demo. So before we get started with this demo, Rajan sir will be coming across with a very important slide. Okay, so you guys need to see the slide carefully, and because few questions might pop up from that slide also later. All right, so look at it carefully and then answer when Aarti ma'am asks those questions. And then very soon we'll be starting up with the demo. So have some patience. In few minutes, we'll get started with our demo also. All right. So this was all about myself and mathematics, the subject I love. Now over to Aarti ma'am. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you so much, Priyasha ma'am. It's indeed a pleasure to have you on the platform always. And so, kids, like without wasting any further time, like I won't be speaking much. So I will hand it over to Rajan sir for a quick presentation, and you keep your questions ready, okay? So, like as soon as the presentation finishes, you write down your questions in the chat section, and we will be happy to answer all of them. Okay? So Rajan sir, yes, the screen is
Yeah,
visible.
sure, ma'am. Yeah, sure. Thank you. So, students, firstly, welcome to the demo of Class 6 Mathematics. Okay. So, firstly, let me tell you about us, Olympiad Success. So, Olympiad Success is India's largest online platform for Olympiad exams. We have Olympiad live classes. This is our third year in live classes. We have School Plus program. So in School Plus program, we are offering 8 courses: mathematics, English, science, logical reasoning, communication and communication, spoken and written both, Vedic maths and coding. Okay. Now, what we offer online CBSE classes for grade 6 to 12, one-on-one preparation for international mathematics Olympiads like SESMO, that is Singapore and Asian School Maths Olympiad, CMO, Hong Kong International Mathematics Olympiad, Thailand International Mathematics Olympiad, Math Count, US Olympiad, Math Kangaroo, PRMO, and also JEE main preparation classes. Now, meet our rank holder for 2021 session. Like Aarti ma'am already mentioned, for 21-22, we are compiling the result and we will release soon. So these are rank holder of Olympiad success. We have 40 plus international rank 1, 70 plus top 5 international rank, 120 plus top 10 international ranks. Now about this course. So there will be 20 students and we will conduct the classes on Zoom platform. So in this course, you will get 2 sessions per week, that is Monday and Friday. So days will be Monday and Friday. Timing of the batch will be 6:30 p.m. to 7:45 p.m. So the duration of the class will be 75 minutes and there will be 5-minute break in between. Okay, students? Now, the session include mixed of theory, practice question, doubt session, and discussion of previous year paper. Now, student will get reading material and practice question, which will be available on the dashboard of Olympiad Success. And students, you will also get mathematics and logical reasoning worksheets. Now, this is the syllabus link I will share in the chat box. And the fees of this course is 10,620, and there will be 50 sessions for this course. Okay. And let me share the links in the chat box.
Yeah, Rajan sir, you can do it later
Okay, sure,
also.
ma'am.
Yeah,
Yeah,
okay, it's there.
okay,
Thank
I
you.
have shared. Yeah. So the fee include online classes, daily reading notes and exercise, practice of previous year paper, and also access to Olympiad Success Maths Logical Reasoning worksheets. If you enroll today, you will also get free CREST Mathematics Olympiad, that is CMO exam. Now, students, when will the classes will start? Now, firstly, to join this course, what do you need? You need just laptop with good internet speed and headphone. Now, to prepare for Olympiad classes, we actually advise students to give some more time. Why? Because Olympiad are quite tougher than your school curriculum. Because in Olympiad, you get some topics from like upper grade. Okay. So we advise students to give some more hour to cope up with the curriculum, and parent support will also be needed to check answer and retreat concepts, etc. Now, when will the batch start? Your live classes will start on 21st March 2020. Okay. Now, 2022. Now, with Olympiad Success, we have 3,800 schools are partnered with Olympiad Success, and we are catering in 35 plus countries. Okay, students? I'm sharing the links again in the chat box. You can copy from there. Now, let's do a question answer round, ma'am. Aarti, ma'am.
Yeah, thank you so much, Rajan sir, for a
Yeah.
detailed presentation. So I think so there is a confusion regarding the days which you had mentioned. So on the slide, it was written Monday and Wednesday, but you spoke Monday and Friday. So it will be Monday and Wednesday, right? Monday and Wednesday from 6:30 till 7:45.
7:45. Yeah.
Yes. Okay. Questions. Come on, kids. Questions. Are all clear? All clear?
Advait is always clear. Since standard 5.
Everyone.
Very
You
nice.
don't have any, no doubts. Okay, so then let us ask you a few questions then. Okay, someone has a doubt. Girikana, I have a doubt. Always ready for questions. Where
Yeah,
will the
Viraj
link come?
also.
Okay, so I'll just take up this question. I believe you are asking. I'll just see the question again. I have a doubt. Where will the link come? So if you are asking about the live classes link, so once you enroll to this program, okay, so the meeting ID and password will be available on the dashboard, okay, on your dashboard. So you need to log in with the credentials provided. And once you go on your dashboard and click on live classes, there you can see the meeting ID and password along with the reading material and practice questions, which we give to you.
Someone is asking, ma'am, what about mock test?
Yes, Sampurna. So basically, what happens in these classes is that after every topic is completed, we have a test. Okay. And yes, Priyasha ma'am, we do it in a similar fashion, right? So, and
Yes.
after the course content is completed, so basically, kids like in around, so this course is of how many sessions? Let me check.
50.
This is for 50 sessions, right? So in around 40 to 41 sessions, your course will be completed and the remaining sessions will be for practice and practice. Okay. So you would be getting lots of tests and lots of practice. Okay.
Yeah.
Is
We'll
this
be
Monday,
practicing
Friday, or
previous year
Monday?
questions also. Yes,
Yes. Absolutely. So in the the remaining classes, basically in 41, 42 sessions, your entire syllabus would be completed, and in the remaining sessions, madam would be taking up your previous year papers. Okay, so she would be solving those, and like lots of practice will be there. Okay, and on your dashboard, you would be having the reading material practice questions. Also, we give you a free access to Olympiad Success platform for practicing topic wise mock test, and we give you two subjects. If you enroll for maths, we give you reasoning also. Okay, so you can practice from that as well.
Ma'am, they are confused with the days. It is Monday, Friday, or Monday or Wednesday.
Kids, this is Monday and Wednesday. Okay,
yeah.
so it is mentioned on the website as well. So it is Monday and Wednesday. Okay.
Monday, Wednesday. Yes.
So there is one question from Ridula. She's asking, class will be like teaching or coaching? Okay. So kids, one line I would like to say here, the taste of the pudding is in eating it. Okay. So you just attend today's demo session and you will understand. Okay. Is Olympiad aligned to school syllabus? Absolutely, it is aligned. But then you get to do many topics which are from your higher grade as well. Okay, so it actually like this will be as mentioned in Rajan sir's presentation also. So you have topics from your higher grades and which will help with the preparation of Olympiads. Okay, so anyhow,
Yeah.
your school syllabus would be covered.
There's a question. No, ma'am, I have a doubt that we will get reading material after the class.
Regarding this, so all the reading material is accessible on your dashboard. So as soon as you enroll for this program, you get your credentials. So once you log in with those credentials, you would be able to access the reading material at once for all the topics.
Classes. Yeah.
Will there be one-on-one performance to check kids' performance?
So for this one, Nick, I believe there is a parent sitting over there. So will there be a one-to-one performance gauging to check kids' performance? So yes, the mentor would make sure that she uh, caters to what the the kid is lacking in, and she would make sure that the kids understand each and everything. So our main focus would be on clearing the concepts and laying down the foundation as mentioned in her introduction.
Yes.
Ma'am, what will be the book for these classes?
Okay, so you don't require any book. So we have sufficient study material available for you. You can practice from that. And I believe, like, other than that, you can consult NCRT books, right, Priyasha ma'am? Because we have
Yes.
sufficient material available on Olympiad Success. So that would be really good for you.
Next question is what is the fees? So fees is 10,620.
Okay.
Okay. Next is it based on only material?
Is it based on only material? So I believe you are asking whether the material available on the student dashboard. So we would be teaching from that. So kids, you try to understand, like we have shared the syllabus link as well. Okay. So you just go through the syllabus, check each and every topic which we are going to take up in this course. And so everything is going to be covered. Okay. So we make
Yeah.
sure that whatever you are getting, it is complete.
Will the classes be recorded as well and shared with students?
Yes, definitely. The classes will be recorded. And in case, uh, not in case, but we suggest kids not to miss any class, because live classes are in any way ahead of any pre-recorded session or any, recordings you see. Because in live classes, you get to interact with the teacher and get your doubts cleared on the spot.
What is the link of Olympiad Success dashboard?
So kids, the link is just olympiadsuccess.com/login. So you need to have the credentials, okay, to log in and then access the material. So for that, you need to register with us. I
After
have,
complete, yes.
I just have one personal question. For logical reasoning, separate classes will be there. Yes, Arijit, we have a subject for logical reasoning. sorry, we have the subject logical reasoning, and the classes are conducted for that as well. Okay, so it would be in queue also, the demo for the logical reasoning classes.
Yeah.
Next is after completing the syllabus, you conduct revision also.
So Girik, sir, I believe parent is sitting over there. So after completing the syllabus, you conduct revision. So revision, as I had mentioned earlier also, so we are providing lot of material to the kids. Okay, so after the syllabus is completed, you have almost 7 to 8 days with your mentor to, like revise
Revise.
everything and practice the previous year papers, and get your doubts cleared. So there would be many things. All right.
Next is, ma'am, what is the textbook?
So I think so this question has been answered. So I had told you already, we on the platform, we have the reading material and everything. And in case if you would want a book to refer to, you can certainly consider the NCRT books.
Okay, I think these are repeated questions.
Repeated questions, right?
If we want only Priyasha ma'am to teach us maths, so what can we do that we get the mentor as Priyasha ma'am?
All
That's
right,
Avi.
Aviraj. So Aviraj,
Yeah,
you
old
have to
student.
enroll right now because her batches are already running full. So if if you would want to enroll to her batch, and if you're attending the demo session, I would suggest you do it right away. Otherwise, like, it's not sure that whether we would be starting the next batch, but then it's not sure whether we would be starting with Priyasha ma'am or any other mentor. Okay.
Next is payment in one time before starting or any other mode of payment,
This
installment.
is a complete payment in one go. We do not offer any kind of installment payments. Akshita has written a huge amount.
Hmm. Do we have parent and mentor meeting to know about individual student weak and strong points?
So no, Nisha Chandwani, I believe you have been a student of us, right? Nisha, you have been, as far as I recall your name, but then uh, no, as such, we do not have any parent and mentor meeting. And but then yes, the mentor makes sure that he or she explains the kids very well, and understands their weak areas, their strong areas, and they do inform them in the classes. So as such, no parent and mentor meeting.
Yeah, I think we don't have any other question now.
There's
Okay,
a question related to the fee, so you
fee.
can just
So
clear it.
Sharvil ma'am, is it 10,650 per class? Sharvil, that would be really good, Do you think like each class 1 hour, 15 minutes class would cost 10,650 rupees? No kid. So it is for the entire course. For 50 sessions, we are charging you 10,650.
Can we make our parents talk with our mentors?
So yeah, Priyasha, you were saying something.
Yes, I was just trying to mention that yes, informally, it's like when the students take up the classes at the end, sometimes like very few parents have done this before. Like they were worried about some topics in which the student was not doing well or something like that. So yeah, of course, I had a chat with them. Maybe it extended 5 minutes, but yeah, I made sure that it's heard. It's not like it's just the student and the teacher. Yes, we can have a chat only in the Zoom meeting, like when the class is going on, just for the sake of information. Or else I can pass the information directly from the student's end towards you as well. That I see that you are not doing a particular topic correctly, like the answers you're giving, you are making mistakes in a particular topic. So I might at the end of the class inform you myself that, yeah, you need to practice a little more on this section. So yeah, and if there's something informal to mention, you can surely come up in the class and mention that. That's never a problem.
Yes,
How can we
absolutely.
get, yeah, I think next question is how we can get students weak points so we can teach them along. So
Same.
I think Priyasha ma'am already cleared.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Absolutely.
Can there be a scholarship?
I am so sorry, Zong, but there are no scholarships. But yes, if you enroll today, we are offering you a free Crest Mathematics Olympiad examination, which costs rupees 225. INR 225. So you can visit their website and check. You can enroll there, and test the platform, and so you are entitled. If you enroll today, you are entitled for a free CMO.
How many students in a batch?
So it would be around 20-25 students. Okay. And Anindya is asking, is batch 1 mentor Priyasha ma'am? Yes, as she is taking the demo right now, so she would be the mentor for batch 1. Okay.
Okay, so it is coming again, ma'am. It was 10,620 or 10,650. So
It is 10,620, 10,620. All right, kids. What are the sections in Olympiads? Basically, if you're asking about the syllabus, we have already shared the link. So you can check the syllabus page and you'll understand what all topics would be coming in your Olympiad examinations and what all we teach actually, right? This class will be for any Olympiad examination. Yes, all the major examinations conducted across the country like SOF, Hummingbird, Silver Zone, Crest Olympiads, Unicus Olympiads. So all of these, after attending these classes, you can certainly attempt those examinations.
no section like logical reasoning.
So basically, kids, you should understand. So if I talk specifically about the Olympiad examinations, so few organizations, so few conducting bodies, what they do is let's say, for example, mathematics is the subject. So there are 10 to 20% of the questions which are from logical reasoning. Okay. But then in our classes, in our syllabus, we have included all the points relevant to mathematics also, and there would be few questions, I believe, Priyasha ma'am, there would be few things on logical reasoning.
Yes, when we will be discussing the paper at the end, we
Yes.
can take up that.
Yeah. And apart from that, we do conduct logical reasoning classes separately. So in case if you are interested, you can enroll for those classes. Okay. So in this, we do not do that. So Adya is playing with her brother. Yes, Adya?
Yeah.
Okay.
Fine.
And
yes.
Hina is
Yeah, there is a
asking
question.
me who will take classes. Priyasha ma'am will be taking the classes. She is here right in front of you kids.
Yes, says Salvin, we'll begin in a while, just now. Because I don't see any questions popping up. Do you find any personal chat, ma'am?
Yeah, there is one personal chat. Ma'am, when you going to the demo, can you please share the on Olympiad? This is okay. So, all right. Yeah, basically, we do take half an hour. I'm so sorry, kids, but then kids and parents, but then this is the flow of the session. We make sure that we answer all the queries during the demo session. So, first half hour is taken up by us, and the later part, like around 40 minutes, is taken by the mentor for the demo session. Okay.
What
No
subjects you
Sampurna, no
cover?
logical reasoning classes will be included in this. For the logical reasoning classes, you have to enroll to our logical reasoning batch.
Ma'am, I think we got one question. What subject you cover in a course?
So this
That's
is
in the
one
link.
course. So basically, this is mathematics Olympiad, right? So each course, one subject.
Maybe they
Okay,
were
so
talking about
I
the
think so,
topic.
Priyasha ma'am, without any further ado, we should start because kids
Yes.
are, getting impatient and I'm getting many personal chats as well to start with the session. So
Of
kids, we
course.
can take a few questions at the end of the session as well. And in case if your
Yeah.
queries are not resolved, I request you to send us a WhatsApp on our registered mobile number, which is 95607 or you can drop us an email at support@olympiadsuccess.com. Okay. So over to you, Priyasha ma'am. Thank you so much.
Thank you. All right, guys. Finally, the wait is over and we are going to get started with our demo. So ready, everyone? Yeah. So today in the demo, we'll be talking about data handling, a very easy topic, right? Has been extremely easy till standard 5. It will be easy in standard 6 as well, provided few cousins will pop in. Who are the cousins? The cousin is statistics. All right. So the cousin we are having here is statistics. Now, what is statistics? Statistics is all about the three M's. Okay, which are the three M's? The first M is mean, the second M is median, and the third N is mod. Okay, these are the three M's we have. All right. Now, this we'll talk about in detail. What is it? What is range? Things like that. These are new terms which we'll talk about. And when it comes to bar graph, this is nothing new for you. But I'll try to tell you how does the questions change according to the classes. Like, see, the topic names remains the same, but the question changes across the classes. So how does it change? I'll give you the perspective of a question paper setter, and when you can read the mind of the question paper setter, no question will be difficult for you. Okay. And lastly, our very favorite chocolate question. So the ones who were my old students know this very well, and for my new ones, let me tell you that you would not be getting any chocolates for answering it right, though you can mention the number of chocolate questions you did correct, so that anytime you meet me offline, you can ask me for those chocolates. All right. All right, these are special questions which you will find in Priyasha ma'am's class. So those Priyasha ma'am's special questions are called as chocolate questions. Okay, fine then. So we need to know few things before we get started with the data handling. Okay, the only thing we need to know is why do we use data handling? Have you ever thought that what's the practical life application of data handling? Why do we need data handling? Data handling is necessary for representing the big datas in small charts or numbers. Okay, like you are owning a big company. Okay, and in that big company you have lots of products which are being produced every day. So if you represent one product with one block, then 10,000 products will mean 10,000 blocks which will cover the entire page, right? And even more. So that's why they came up with the principle of converting the raw data, which is the unorganized data. 10,000 is the unorganized data. They will convert it into blocks, and they will say that every 1,000 will be denoted with a single block. Hi, Neil. Okay, so tell me, how many blocks will we then use to represent 10,000? So easy. Very good at that. Perfect. Very nice, Anindya, Anshuman. Right. It's 10 blocks. Correct. 10 blocks. Similarly, these blocks can be represented in the form of pictograph, in the form of bar graph, line graph, table, okay, table chart, so many things. So we will learn all of it in our regular sessions, of course. But today we'll be focusing on few very interesting questions. Okay, so let's get started with the three M's. Okay, what are the three M's? Mean means average, guys. Okay, mean means average. What is average? Suppose I say that you score 10 marks, your friend scored 10 marks, and the other friend also scores 10 marks. So what is the average score you three score? Very good, smart people. The actual formula is sum divided by the number. So number of friends is 3, and the sum of their score is 30. So 30 divided by 3 gives us 10. Now if I make a change here, guys, I make this 5 and I make this 5. Will it work? It will give something in decimals, or will it give a whole number? 15 plus 15 is 30, and plus 10 is 40. 40 divided by 3. How much is that? Guys, 6.6. Are you sure? It should be more than 10, no? 30 by 3 is 10. So 40 by 3 will be more than 10. Simple. Okay, Ayush says 13.1. All right, others? Did you try? Just 14. Okay, Avirash 13.3. Yes, it should be 13.33. Okay, you check this. 40 divided by 3. So we have 3 ones are 3, 1 0, and then 3 nines are 9, and then 1. And this will continue 1, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, like that. So this will be 13.333333, and so on. All right, this was just a number to play with. Now come down to median. What is median, guys? Median of a set of number is the middle number, okay, when you arrange it from lower to higher. So just have a look over here, okay, what I am trying to say. You have 5 numbers with you: 15, 10, 5, 20, and again a 10. So in these 5 numbers, what am I doing? I am asking you to find out the median. So how will you find out the median? The first step is to arrange it in the ascending order. Guys, can anyone type in what will be the ascending order of these 5 numbers? Step number 1, ascending order. 5, 10, 15. Oh, back, another 10, 15, and 20. Am I right? There are 2 tens. Yes. And now, how many numbers do we have? Do we have odd numbers? Yes, we have odd numbers. So can we find out the middle term of an odd number? First from the left, first from the right, second from the left, second from the right, and this is my middle number because it is third from the left also and third from the right also. So my median will be 10 for this. So this is the 2-step process of finding out the median, guys. Step 1, where we will arrange the numbers in ascending order, and step 2, when we will be finding out the middle term. Now, to make it more interesting, let me tell you, if I add another term like 25, yes, Josh. So, if I add 25, now what will you do? Now there are 6 numbers. How will you find out the middle term? Hina says 15. Okay. Others, how will you find out the middle term? Please guide me. Oh, Josh, you are very close but not correct. No. Very close. Someone, I could not read your name. No. Yes, Anandya. Very nice, Josh. Yes. So for doing this, we will find out that this is fine, this is fine. These are the 2 numbers in the middle, correct? Now, take the number, add them, and find out their mean. That is the average. What is the average of 10 and 15? 25 by 2. What is the half of 25, guys, in decimal? 12 and a half in fraction is 12.5 in decimal. See, we actually brought fractions, decimals, everything into data handling, isn't it? Magic. Okay, so 12.5 is the number in the middle. So my median will also be 12.5. What's the basic idea behind finding out the median? To find out the middle term between it. So it's generally used in places to generate or to get the data for the number which is in middle. Someone got lots of marks and someone got very less marks in a class. And if it is asked that what is the median, so my answer would be coming up as, okay, that the middle, the average here in the class is this. Okay, fine. Now coming to mod, guys, mod. Okay, mod. Mod here means repetition or frequency. Very simple. If a number is repeated the maximum number of times, like I give you an easy example, 1 2 3 1 2 4 5 7 3 3 4 1. Now look at this number range and find out which number is repeated the maximum number of times. Very good, everyone. Hey Advait, have a closer look. And you know what? The interesting part about mod is that it is not necessary that you will have only one mod in a particular range. See, mean is only one average is possible. Only one median is possible. But mod can be multiple. So here, how many mods do we have? Let's check the frequency of 1. 1, 2, 3. 3 ones are there. Okay. And how many threes are there? Let's check the number of threes. 1, 2, 3. 3 threes. And number of 2, only 2. So what did we find out? In this range, we have 2 mods, 1 and 3. Okay, I repeat, guys, please don't repeat the answer again and again in chat, because that will unnecessarily create problems for everyone, right? Even your teacher. So please don't repeat your answer. Just write it once and relax. Okay. Okay. So 1 and 3 are the 2 mods here in this range. Suppose that I give one more 1 here. So this 1 will become 4, and now you will be getting the mod only as 1. Okay. That you have to check. Easy peasy. Now, will we be able to do some questions on it? Yeah. Okay. Just before that, a quick information about range. So see, 2, 4, 8, 10. What is the range of this data? The range will always be the maximum value minus the minimum value. No, Adya. Akshita, you just don't worry. We'll do the questions and then you will find things easy. Just give me 5 more minutes so that I can bring up the questions in front of you. Very good, everyone. The maximum number is 10 and the minimum number is 2. So this will come up as 8. All right. Very good. Now we'll have some questions and we'll do it peacefully. Okay. Fine. So here is the first question in which you have to find out the mod. Yes, Shravani, with the number which has even number of elements, what we do is we take out the middle 2 numbers, like here the first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth numbers are there. So you will take out the middle number of 3 and 4. Like what's the average of 3 and 4? That will be your median. Well, okay. So come to this question back. Thank you so much for answering that doubt, Charan. Now let's concentrate on this question. Okay. So which is the mod here? We'll see the number which is repeated the maximum number of times. And people are saying it's 26. Let's check. 26 is repeated 1, 2, 3 times. Correct. And 25? 1 and 2 times only. So the correct answer is 26. Was it not very easy? Yes. Yes, it was. Okay. You found that easy. You found comfortable doing mod. Now we'll move you one step ahead. What's that one step? The other step is counting the median. Okay. Now, whenever you're asked to count the median, no problem, Jill. It's totally fine. Okay. See, first count the number of numbers. Number of numbers. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I have 9 numbers. Am I right? So middle number is possible? Yes, possible. Okay, then go and find out the middle number after arranging in the ascending order. Guys, please arrange it in the ascending order. Don't find the middle number from here. That's not the answer. You have to arrange it in the ascending order first. Smallest to biggest. Smallest number is 30. Yeah, Prem, I'm not doing. I'm just writing the first number and then doing dot, 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 dot. Okay, I'm getting answers also. Very nice. All right, all right. I'll start doing the question in next 30 seconds, okay? But I'm giving you 30 seconds to do it. Let's see if you're right or wrong. We'll check that in next 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And there we go. So how we'll arrange it? 32. After 32, we have 34. Then we have 35 2 times. Okay. 35 2 times. Then we'll check 36 and only 1 time 36. Then we have 37. And then we have 38, 39, and 47. Am I right? Yes, covered all the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Like this, we will recheck, guys. Okay, follow the process. Then we will find out the middle term. So cut. See, if you are anytime getting confused how to find out the middle term, do this. 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4. And the middle term is 36. So those who came up with option B as the answer, congratulations. And those who could not understand, congratulations to you too, like could not do it earlier. Congratulations to you too, because you learned something new today. And you know, a person is considered to be old when he stops learning. So don't be old. Start learning. Every day you learn something new. All right. Good to go. Can we proceed to the next question? Yes. All right. So here's the next question on the screen, guys, where we have to find out the range. Very easy. Range question. How are we supposed to do range? Remember. Ma'am will not give any hints this time. Ayush with an answer. Okay. No hints or hints? Okay. Hey, I see some correct answers. Okay. Just a second. My chat will not let me annotate until unless I open it. So just a second. Yes, Akshata, your formula is correct. Right. All right. Yes, very good, Dimple. Dimple, seeing you after so long. It's such a pleasure seeing you again. All right. Fine, Prem. Okay, guys. So maximum minus minimum. So maximum number here is 42 and minimum number here is 5. So if I subtract them, I got this. No problem, Girik. It's totally fine. See, that's what I said. No, we are learning. This is a process of learning, and we will learn and learn every day so that we will grow. So 37 is my answer. Good, Sukriti. All right. Next question. Let's take a jump from statistics to something else. Okay. Let's take a jump to bar graphs now. So because we have only 10 minutes, I'll quickly take you to the chocolate questions. Ready for the chocolate questions? Okay, quickly we'll go to our first chocolate question. So this is a bar graph. This is called as a multi-data bar graph. Why multi-data? Because many bars are there, you see, for 1 year, many bars. Okay, so let's get started. All set. Let's do some calculation. In a bar graph, number one thing to pay attention is this. Read this carefully. Then number two is the x-axis. This is called as y-axis. This is called as x-axis. Horizontal one is x-axis. Vertical one is y-axis. So always pay attention on these two things first and then find out the numbers. Go for it, guys. Try it on your own. Then ma'am will help you with faster calculations. And I'll make you do some oral calculations, okay, with me. Ah, Advait, nope. Check out this carefully, okay? Thousands. All right, very good. I see certain correct answers popping up. Okay, good. Nice, nice. Chinmay, Alvin, very good. Hina, Adrit, none of these is not the answer. Sukriti, you're not supposed to just add up the numbers. You are going to multiply this with thousands. Remember in the beginning of the session, I told you that the data is represented in a smaller form, compact, so that it comes in one page. So first here we have to find out the total number of products in 2006 and in 2008. So in 2006, if you check, the product is 10 plus 7.5 plus 15. Okay, but better you convert it into thousands. Okay, how will you convert it into thousands? 15,000 plus 10,000 is 25,000, correct? And 7.5 into 1,000 is how much? 750. Okay. Now come 7,500 because 10,000, no. So over here, now we come down to 2008. Check this. 2008. The numbers is 30, 25. That is 30 plus 25, 55. 55 plus 20, 75. Correct? So 75,000 from here. Very good, Advait. No need of calculation. 25,000 from here. 75 and 25. 75, 25. 100. So 100 means here and three zeros after it. 1 lakh or 10 lakh. What is this? 1 lakh or 10 lakh? 1 lakh. Correct. 1 lakh. And then 7,500. So 1 lakh 7,500 is how you will orally do this question. Right? So what did you need to do? Step number 1. You were going to find out what is the total number of products you got in 2006. Yeah, Akshita, a big amount. And then you have to get in 2008. So check this number. How will you check out this number? This means 10. This means 7.5. And this means 15. So you have to multiply all these numbers with thousands to get the actual value. Yeah, yes, Advait. Very good. So see guys, how he used this process of option elimination. Perks of being Priyasha ma'am student. Haha. Okay. So he did an option elimination that ma'am, I should definitely get a 75 in my answer. And that is present only in option B. Girik, I am explaining that again. You have to find out the numbers carefully from here. Okay, like you got it. This is 15, this is 7.5, and this is 10. And from here, you will get back the numbers as 30, 25, and 20. So you will add up all of this, and that will give you a number which is 1075. And then there will be a point here. So you need to multiply 1,000 because this value is contained in 1,000. And that will eventually give you the answer as 1,07,500. Very good. No problem, Sukriti. That's what is just a little bit of understanding. Like you look at this, you see that something is coming between 10 and 5. So let's make a number between that. Okay, like that. Okay. One more question, guys. I'll not give a question related to this. I'll give a question related to something else. This is a pretty interesting bar graph. This one is an interesting bar graph. You have to find out which month has the maximum sale. Within 10 seconds, I need an answer. Why? Why do I need it in 10 seconds? Because it's a common sense question. No calculation. No observation also. I can't believe you guys. Carefully watch it. No, everyone is wrong so far. Everyone is wrong. Tricky trap. You guys actually fell in my tricky trap. Want to know how? All right. So this one looks the longest and you said it's August. But none of you paid attention that March and November are missing. March and November are missing. It's not zero. They are missing. And when the value is missing, data inadequate. Okay. Don't repeat your answers, please. Just write it once. Thank you. Yes, it's data inadequate. We cannot find out. So see guys, there's a fine line. When we cannot find out the answer, we go for data inadequate. When the information is not complete. But when we find out the answer, suppose my answer is a separate month which is not in the option. Like May is my answer and it is not in the option. So then I will go up with none of these. So this is the difference between none of these and data inadequate. Okay, keep that in mind. All right, now the next question is pretty related to it. That if total sales is 3,25,000, no problem, Anindya. When the total sale is 3,25,000, so how much will be the sale of March and November together? The months which are missing. The months which are missing. How will you do that? This requires addition, good amount of addition. Can you guys add? Let me see how many of you can add. Fast, fast. We have only 3 minutes left, guys. We need to do it quick. That's not correct, Adrit. No, Sukriti. This is some amount of addition and some amount of subtraction also at the end. Oh, yes, Zoha. Very nice. So we see the answer coming up from Zoha, Zeel, Aviraj, Charan. Very good, KK. Very nice, everyone. It's right. Okay. See how 5 plus 10 is 15. 15 plus 20 is how much? 35. 35 plus 30 is 65. 65 plus 5 is 70. And 70 plus 30 is 100. Then we have, then just like that, keep adding, guys. Plus 45, plus 50, plus 40, plus 25, and then plus 10. And when you add all of them, subtract that sum, whatever addition you have done and whatever sum you have got, you have to subtract 3,25,000 minus the sum, and that will be the answer as 55000. What was the sum? If you have done it, you would tell me quickly. What was the sum which you got? Come on, guys. It's as simple as doing 3,25,000 minus 55,000. 25 gone, and then 2,75,000. Wow, Anindya, Charan, very good. 2,75,000. Very nice. This was the sum which we got from here. And then we would subtract it and we'll get 55,000. Great, great, great. I'm so happy that you guys are doing it wrong. Guys, are you sure of the number? Absolutely sure. No. Have you guys even tried doing it? 325,000 minus 55,000. Do it, all of you. Do 325. Leave all those zeros. Do 325 minus 55. How much do you get? Tell me orally. See, how do we do orally? Listen to me carefully. This is a tip you will take from this class. 325. Now see, 325 minus 25 is 300. So if I subtract 25 from here, I will be left with how much? 50 minus 20, 30. Now further, if I do minus 30 from 300, I get 270. That means 2,70,000 is the sum of this bar. And when you subtract this from 3,25,000, you will get 55,000. One looking at one's answer and answering back quickly, 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 quickly. See, you need to just keep it like this, guys. You add this up, you get 270. You look at this, you get 325. Now simply do 325 minus 270 and get your answer as 55, which is option D. Don't add the thousands. Avoid the thousands for avoiding longer calculations. Okay? Thumbs up. All right. So with this, I come up with my last question for the day. That how was the session? Did you guys enjoy the demo? Thank you, Advait. Thank you so much, Aviraj. Fine. Thank you, Riyansh. Well, I was not able to take up other questions because we are running out of time, but I'll make sure. See, one thing which I always focus on is covering the variety of questions in my classes so that nothing comes up as a surprise for you in your examination. Okay. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for your lovely comments, guys. So I'll be winding up the session over here and passing it over to Aarti ma'am.
Yeah,
Thank
thank you
you.
so much, Priyasha ma'am. Thank you so much. So I'm getting all the chats in the chat messages in the chat section. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much for the
Yeah.
lovely comments.
Rajan, do we have anything you can share
Yeah,
the yes.
yeah, sure. So students, thank you for the session, Pransha ma'am. So you have already mentioned how was the session. I get very good adjectives here: super, best, awesome, Yeah. So now you can see Piyasha ma'am, you can meet Piyasha ma'am in live classes. Okay. Live classes will be start on 21st March. Okay. So I have shared the links in the chat box. You can do one thing. You can copy that links. Okay. And save somewhere. So with the help of this link, you can attend ma'am's live session. Okay, students. So now we will meet to you in the live sessions. Thanks for today, everyone. Yeah. Bye.
Thank you so much, everyone. Bye bye. And I'm just reading one interesting message by Aviraj. I just won the bet that the chat would be lagged.
Yes, he mentioned it in the beginning. I remember.
Yes. Okay, so yes, thank you so much, kids. I'm getting one query. Like Arijit is sending me a private message. I have a doubt, ma'am. Please let us know your doubt so that we can clear it, and then we can end the meeting. For those who would want to leave, they can leave. And so, what is the fees? So, this is what Mr. Arijit is asking. So, the fees for this course, entire course, which is of 50 sessions, it is rupees 10,620. So, it is in Indian national rupees, INR. Rajan, do you have any questions on your private chat?
No, ma'am.
Okay. All right, kids, then we are good to say bye bye. Okay, thank you so much, Presha ma'am. Thank you, Rajan sir. Bye bye,
Thank you,
everyone.
ma'am.
Bye bye.
Bye. Bye, everyone.
Thank you. Bye bye. Take care.
Yeah, this would be 6:30 p.m. as per Indian Standard Time. Bye, kids. Bye bye.